Good day, Nigerians, most especially the Muslims during this Eid al-Kabir festival. Today is the day of Arafat, and tomorrow is the Eid. I wish every one of you a good Eid celebration, and I do pray for the people that things are hard for, that God will make things easy for you. God will bless you and make you to overcome all your hardships. Iwo is the city of Islamic scholars. They call Iwo the Geri Melami. And we thank God for today and tomorrow, which is going to be the day of Eid. I wish you all a very great festival. In Nigeria today, I would implore all of us that there is hope that is coming, and I believe in the government, and I pray for the government for more wisdom to be successful in this governance of Nigeria. And though we're passing through a hard time now, but there is hope that this government will do the best. And I wish and I hope he win a second time, and he comes back as the president of this nation come 2027, so that he can finish the work that he has begun. Nigeria as a whole, we have paid, like what we've heard, that he has paid the IMF loan that we borrowed during the COVID time, and these are pointers towards that this nation is. I believe in this nation, and I believe God would sail us through. And I pray for the president, all the governors, senators, all our lawmakers, traditional rulers all across Nigeria. And I greet you all citizens. Happy Eid festival, and God bless us all. Thank you. I am the natural paramount ruler of Iwo Kingdom, King Abdulrasheed Adewale Akanbi, Telo the First, Aláṣẹ lórí òrìṣà, Àrólé Olódùmarè. Thank you.